Welcome to Ziro. On this video, we will show you how to use the Ziro Jackets, which are used to attach the Ziro modules to different types of materials that can be used to build your robot. We begin by explaining how to use the Euclid pod-based system with the jackets, and then we'll show you how to connect other structures and components. Each jacket comes equipped with 4 holes on each side and slots for inserting cardboard. To use the jackets combined with the pods for building the structure of your robot, insert first one of the connectors to the side of the pod and then connect it to the jacket. The parts can be inserted in any orientation based on what structure you want to build. The 6-sided and 4-sided connectors can also be attached to these holes. They allow the connection to another jacket or to pods in other connectors as well. If the pegs or connectors are too tight to be removed, you can use the provided tool to safely remove them. The jackets can be used with 1/4-inch cardboard. To connect a cardboard piece to the jacket, you just need to make a long slot with the same thickness of the cardboard and then insert it in the jacket as shown here. After creating your robot structure using the jackets, you can now insert the module inside of that jacket. To do that, you can insert the modules in a horizontal orientation, as seen here. Or if you are using the module with a hinge-like movement, just like the one we use in the humanoid robot, you can insert the module in the orientation shown here. You will hear a click that indicates that the module is in position, and you can see how the module is now locked and will not fall. For this last orientation, the module can only be inserted in one side of the jacket. Therefore, please make sure to look for the grooves inside of the jacket to know which is the correct side to insert the module.